for a happier life.
An American patient with leukemia has become the first woman and third person ever to recover from the virus HIV that causes AIDS, after she underwent a stem cell transplant from a donor who was naturally resistant to the virus. Sharon Lewin, president-elect of the International AIDS Society, said in a statement, according to international news agencies.
This is the third announcement that an infected case has recovered according to this method, and the first is for a woman infected with HIV.
She added that the report
confirms that the treatment of HIV is possible, and is further enhanced by the use of gene therapy, as a viable strategy to treat this virus.
The American patient was undergoing treatment for acute myeloid leukemia, or blood cancer, using umbilical cord blood, and the woman's AIDS symptoms were dormant, and she was cured of the virus for 14 months, without the need for the strong treatments known as antiretroviral therapies. This case is part of a larger study backed by the United States, with the aim of following up 25 HIV patients who underwent a transplant of stem cells taken from umbilical cord blood to treat cancer and other serious conditions.
Please support us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.